Yes, hello everyone, welcome back again to this video and welcome back again to No Max TV. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create 100 YouTube shorts within 10 minutes. So I'm going to be showing you how you can be using Canva. So that is the tool we know, so it's a graphic design tool that we all know. And also I want to be showing you how you can use it together with ChatGPT or OpenAI to be creating also those videos within those short period of time. It is simple and easy, and what you need to do is to follow this video and watch every step of how I'm going to be doing this. And once you have seen this, you can be able to create those videos for you, and you can be able to generate hundreds YouTube short within a period of 10 minutes. So without wasting time, let's get started. Also, but if you did not subscribe to this channel No Max TV, subscribe today, like this video, share it with your friends, and turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at No Max TV. So without wasting time, let's get started. As you see here, I have opened in my Canva, and as you see, there's a Canva, and which I can be using also to create any templates I want, any design I want, also banner, also thumbnail, and other things you want. And also I have a ChatGPT here, this which is an AI tool that I'm going also to be using together to generate these kind of videos in this period of time. So first of all, what you're going to do, you're going to be coming here in the ChatGPT or as an AI, and also you're going to be asking it to generate some ideas for you that can be now working on. For example, you can be asking this, let me for example ask this to be creating for me an ideas about business ideas. So let me give it a comment, then you can see give me to list. Yes, I can also ask it to list 100 let's say give me 100 business ideas that person can start online make sure that you include this in the table, the two column table. The first column will be the numbering column, the second one will be the business ideas. So now as you see this, I give it the prompt to give me this in the table. Also making sure I give you that to include in the two column table. Yes, the first, make sure that the information are formulated so that I can paste them into Excel sheet. So now you can see I give it the prompt of generating for me 100 business ideas that person can start online, and also I recommended it to be providing me with an Excel sheet that I can be using. You see, it is going to be following all the steps that I have recommended it to follow. And also once I have generated the 100 business ideas, I can turn them into video that I'm going to be working on. So while it is generating the ideas, let's see how. Now what you need to do, you need to come here in this Canva, and also you need to choose the video option that you want to be making on. You can see it is having various options here. You can even be choosing the video. Choose the video. You can see I'm going to be seeing various options here. Also you can choose short. If we type shorts, you're going to be getting shorts. YouTube shorts. You're going to be getting the template that also are going to be helping you to create your own short. So you see I get templates which are in the way of shorts, formatting the way of shorts. So what you need to do, you need to select, for example, the one you see that you can be using. For example, I select this one. So and I open this one, customize it as the one I'm going to be using. So you see it is going to be having various options that I can choose from. And also let me choose, for example, this one as the one I'm going to be using. You see you have to choose one as you want to go with. After this, you see it is templated this way. I want to see also to click here on customize this template. When I click on the customize this template, it is going to be opening the new option where I can start also now customizing my video. So what you do, you need to make sure that you come here and the ideas generated. You can see it has generated also 65 ideas or business ideas. Now I can ask this to continue to fill 100 or up to 100 business idea as I requested it. You can see it is continuing. What I do, I have to copy this. I have to come here, and as you can see now, this is my video, how it will be looking like. What I do, I need to make sure that I come and customize whether the text I want to be including is this one, whether I can change the font style. For example, maybe I can change this font style. I remove this quote. I come here, then I select a new font style that I want to be using. For example, if I say no more as the style that I'm going to be using. So after this, what I may be removing this, for example, you see. After this, what I'm going to be doing is coming here. You can see if I scroll down, I have now a blue cleared. So if I click here, now you can see they are also asking me to enter the data manually or upload the CSV. Now what I do, I click here and you see I got the template that I can be uploading my data. What I do, because this also ChatGPT has generated for me the content that I can be working with. You see, I have 100 business ideas which are here. I have to copy this. I have to open Excel on my computer. After opening Excel, I have also to paste that business idea in Excel. This is going to easy for my processes of copying and pasting this information into Excel sheet. For example, let me now copy those business ideas from ChatGPT. Then I paste them into Excel sheet. So if I copy this, you see I have numbering column, and also I have this one. Maybe let me copy for now up to 66 because it is where it is stopped first. Then I come here. Also I come to this one and I paste the information there. After pasting the information, you can see I have all details here. Now also I can be able to auto format this data so that I'm going to be working on the data which are formatted. So now let me try to do this. As you can see, now it is formatted. So now let me copy this heading of the information. I have to come here and also paste it here in this template as I have shown you. You have to click here, then you paste also the headings. As you see now, the heading is there. So after pasting the heading, I have to go back now, and also I select in this Excel the other information which are remaining. Now let me click and also select the other information which are remaining here. So I have to come in Excel. Now also I have to select all details here. Now you can see. Now I have to copy this. So after copying these details, I have to come here. Also again, then I come here in this Canva. Then also I paste all the details. You can see all the information now are pasted here in this information. So what I need to do, I have to click done. As you can see, my data is there. I have name and also number. Then I have also emails, which is also businesses. What I do, I can come here in this part. Also, I click here. You can see. If I click, I see I have the option which is called connect data. I click on connect data. So I have to choose which data I want to be connecting on this table. So I may delete this text which is there first, so that I can be connecting my data. So let me click there again. Sorry, wait, it is one. Yes, you see. Now I can be removing these quotations, so I can be remaining with this one. So you see now I have the option to light only, and also you can see now I don't have any because I have a deleted template. You have to make sure that you have something there that is remaining so that you can be connecting. Now you have to click connect data. So I choose this email part as this one because it is the one which is representing the business ideas. So you can see now it is also replacing the information which were there. So what I do, maybe I don't want this to be showing the numbering. I have also to click next. After this, I can click next. This is because also I have connected my data. So now click next. As you can see, all the data are also selected. So what I need to do, I need to click also to generate 66 pages at the same time. Let me click on this. Once I click on this, I'm going to be generating 66 pages at the same time. So you see it is going to be opening in new tab. So what it means is that it's going to be also generating those statistics now at the same time. As you were saying, I was having only one page. So now let's see if it's going to be also doing this. So as you see now, I have now you see I have 8 minutes and also 53 seconds, which means that it has generated all 66 pages within this. You can say I have all business ideas. Now it has made this in the form of video. You can see that you can play this video and see how it is going to be looking like. So if I play, you can see it is now video of 8 minutes and something, which means it's going to be a long video. You can see it is playing, also showing business idea. It is going to be showing everything, e-commerce store styling. You can see now it is animated, so because the template I have selected. So now you don't need to download all this video because it is the one you wanted. And also if you want to get 66 at the same time, if I want to download, you need to click here and also choose download option, but also don't download as video. You can see you download as video, but also download page as separate files. If we download as separate file, we're going to be getting 66 or 100 depending on the ideas you have inserted in. But also if we download as one video, we're going to be getting single video, which is going to be 8 minutes in total. Also I recommend it download 66 or 66 pages because I want to be getting also those 66 should to be shot within the same files within the same folder, and also you can be uploading this either in hundreds of days, also either in 1 month, depending on what you want. So what you need to do also, you can be able to come and edit this template depending on what you want to be editing, to make sure that they are not going to be looking like it. Also you can be editing this template, putting your images, adding other information that you want to be adding. Also this is going to be easier for you to generate this video within the short period of time. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question or concern, subscribe to this channel Max TV. Also like this video and also leave it in the comment section so that we can reach out to you. Thank you for watching this video.